In-ear monitors make you hear your voice or instrument in real time, making sure you hear exactly what your audiences hear and make adjustments accordingly. However, they usually don't come cheap, and a high-quality IEM can even cost you around $1,000. But when you're a beginner in the world of sound reproduction and want a good pair of starter in-ear monitors, then you're already in the right place. As in this video, we'll talk about the 5 best budget in-ear monitors you can get right now. So, without further ado, let's begin.
At AudioZone, our mission is to help audio fanatics make the right buying decision. We are a team of audiophiles who spend countless times testing out gadgets to make informative tutorials, in-depth reviews, and make your buying decision simple and effective.
Starting off, we have the KSZ10 Pro from Linsoul, a direct successor to the KSZ10 and an in-ear monitor with the most balanced audio output on our list. As a direct upgrade, these 4BA plus 1DD hybrid earphones feature a magnetic dynamic unit and balanced self-customized armatures. With that, you'll get that perfectly balanced, dynamic, and overall bright sound profile which every artist appreciates. Giving it an overall elegant yet durable look, the faceplate of these earphones is made out of 304 stainless steel with a cavity made out of imported resin. The detachable gold-plated 2-pin cable ensures longevity and prevents the pin from accidentally breaking. Since the build of the cavity is based on the data of the cochlea, it gives the earphones an incredibly comfortable feel and a good fit. That fit ensures effective noise isolation at up to 26 decibels, offering an overall immersive audio experience. If you're looking for a comfortable in-ear monitor with a balanced audio profile, you should take a look at the Linsole KSZ10 Pro. If instead of the aforementioned balanced audio profile, you prefer a comparatively powerful and wider variation, you should take a look at the CCAC10 from Linsoul. The power comes from its 10-driver hybrid technology, 1 dynamic and 4 balanced armature on each ear that produces incredibly detailed mids, smooth highs, and bass with a depth, giving you an overall powerful audio profile with incredible details. In terms of build quality, it's made out of a very lightweight yet sturdy zinc alloy shell and resin, which makes them fit for almost any condition. Being lightweight makes this pair of earphones extra portable and comparatively flexible, making them valid earphones for use even outside the studio. The earphones come with built-in MEMS noise cancelling that takes responsibility for providing an immersive audio experience with a delightfully natural soundstage and a feeling of spaciousness. Whereas, the detachable 0.75 mm gold-plated 2-pin diameter low-impedance braided wire helps to adjust the sound quality even further without the hassle of curled-up cables. In short, when powerful sound reproduction and a spacious sound profile are something you love, you cannot go wrong with the CCAC10 from Linsoul. Next up, we have a pair of earphones for the bass guitarist and the drummers out there, and it's called T2 Galaxy, and it's from a company that calls itself the Fragrance Zither, also known as TFZ. When talking about the sound quality, this pair of earphones have a dense and thick sound profile, highlighted with a sweet and loose timbre. The low frequency and rich detailing combined with good bass effect, clean mids, and sonorous treble make this pair of earphones the one to grab for bass guitarists and drummers. The double magnetic circuit makes sure the reproduced audio gives you a vivid experience and sounds delicately detailed. With good fit comes good noise cancellation, which is more than true with the T2 thanks to its ergonomic and comfortable in-ear design. The design also makes it comfortable to wear in the long run and produces near zero ear fatigue. At the end of the day, when it all comes down to having brain-buzzing dark and mellow bass, you should definitely go for the T2 Galaxy by the Fragrance Zither. Turning it up a notch at number 2, we have the Sennheiser IE40 Pro, which is the most comfortable and premium in-ear monitors on our list today. What makes the Sennheiser IE40 Pro different from its peers is its implementation of a next-generation dynamic single driver. Thanks to this, the frequency range doesn't necessarily need to be split into sections, thus giving it the ability to stay as a whole, resulting in harmonious audio reproduction that everyone will love. With its dynamic 10mm broadband transducer, precise monitoring is at its peak, while the dynamic driver system mitigates acoustic stress. The innovative diaphragm produces a warm, powerful yet precise tone distinguishable even in particularly loud environments. With a compact design, secure fit, and flexible silicone and foam tips, this is one of the most comfortable earphones on our list today. And finally, at our number 1 spot for today, we have the Shure SC215 Pro, the best budget in-ear monitor you can get right now. Unlike the other monitors on this list, these earphones produce sound from a single, vented and balanced armature driver that provides delicately detailed sound with rumbling bass, making these earphones an instantly pleasing experience. Don't worry about the fit anymore, as these earphones come with small, medium and large size flex sleeves. This also helps you to block up to 37 decibels of sound, making sure you aren't distracted while working. The wire form fit also makes sure the earphones stick in place and the cables don't meddle with your experience. The cable it comes with is very durable and sturdy, yet easily replaceable and customizable. The gold-plated MMCX connector comes with a lock-snap mechanism that allows for a full 360-degree rotation for a comfortable fit. If you're in the market for a pair of budget in-ear monitors, you simply cannot find a better alternative than the Shure SC215 Pro, and that's why it's on the top of our list today. So, that was all about the top 5 budget in-ear monitors you can get right now. Thanks for watching our video. Which one are you using and why? Do we have your favorite ones listed here? Do let us know, and as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.